MeghalayaPost.news
Katana jong Kam Jngohkai Pyrthei kedonya kebenta kebokraw ban Pynim Jakpoh biang ye Thain Sohra kabadai hadian ke Khang Tih Dewiong house nam arajar khatsaw ban menta ke shnong ki thau ki hatre lang bat ke sarkar haki project bapher ong ba Gavin MLA ke Sohra ha crunch kilat pathai khobor ba Gavin ulapan paw ba ki jaka kung ka Thain lai rang eu bat mau khma haki por ba menchua ki dei ki jaka bala im Jakpoh hau Dewiong shaban Khang Tih Dewiong amla roban kantan ba haki por bala letno ki babun hi kila im Jakpoh na ka Kam Tih Dewiong Naduh bala Khang Tih Dewiong hakawai kebentaru ngimla man kantan baga Kam Jngohkai Pyrthei kala kantiu ke yok ke kon bat kala Pynim Jakpoh ikipat ba ka Thain Sohra ula ongru baga Sohra kala deiru ke jaka padeng hak Pyrthei kabla khringi ki nong Jngohkai Pyrthei bat kala longru ke jaka Jngohkai Pyrthei bala paw ha ka Pyrthei.
Of course, we can't deny the fact that in this past many years, since the coal ban, actually in the year 2014, of course, we have areas like Naduh, Mokhma in those years prior to 2014. Most of them were dependent upon the coal for their economy. But after the coal ban, we can't deny the fact that the tourism sector has really helped to uplift the economic livelihood of our people in the area. Yes, Sohra has been able to captivate tourists not only from our country but even tourists from all parts of the world, and we can see that slowly the people have started to realize that the tourism sector has really contributed a lot towards the economic livelihood of our people. So of course we can see that all the communities have also given their hand to the government, and especially with these projects under the PM Dewiong scheme, under the World Bank scheme, under the NDB, we could see that there's a certain proportion that needs to be shared with the government, and the communities have also accepted the offer from the government. And it's due to this fact that we do understand that the people from the area, the communities, have realized that this particular sector has really contributed towards the economy of the area. So actually the skywalk at Dimple, the work has started, I think so, in the month of November last year, where the progress of the work is ongoing, and according to the reports from the department, the ongoing progress is around 20% till date. So I'm very confident that once completed, this project will ultimately boost the tourism, in fact in the Dimpep area and its adjoining areas, and it'll be one of its kind, because we do understand that the projection will be around to the length of 40 meters. So I think so it's one of the first, I think so, in the northeast. So I think so they'll be able to attract many tourists when they come to this part of the area. The project cost of the skywalk at Dimpep is around 51 crores, and the tentative time for completion of this particular project, according to the reports from the department, I think so will be in the later part of 2027.
So what about
Of course, regulating the price, I think so when it comes to the private accommodations, of course it's very difficult on the part of government to regulate. But in areas like Sohra, the luxury accommodation presently, I think so only the Jiva, the Polo Orchid are offering such high-end accommodations. So of course let's see what the government has maybe in the days to come to ensure that we ensure that the affordable accommodation can be provided to people from outside too. After the Meghalaya project, yes, we got the sanction last year in the month of November under the PM Dewiong scheme. The total project cost is around 38 crores, and the tendering process has just been completed, It has just been allotted to a contractor. So I think so they'll be starting the work in the few days to come.
So since we
Of course, while preparing the DPR also, the consultants have taken all those things into consideration, because we do understand that, especially in these kind of schemes, the PM Divine scheme and many other schemes, the environment part is taken into consideration. So I don't think so they'll have any impact on the environment.
MeghalayaPost.news